first of those is Miss Tara Jacobs. There she is. Come on up. Hi.
Hello, Commissioners and Judge. Thank you for letting me speak last time. I'm back to speak on the same subject. So, do I have to say my address again? I'm sorry. I'm from Dallas, Texas.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Article 6 of the Constitution states that the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. So when it comes to family court, because I'm thankful that Commissioner Price spoke on some of the issues, but he spoke on criminal-related court issues involving the OCA, and I was hoping for some type of action in regards to the civil family court, especially relating to George Allen Court, which I'm thankful you did speak on some things. But yes, he mentioned some of the judges, but not all of the judges that are unfortunately participating in not following constitutional law. 256, 303, 254 are additional judges and associate judges to name, and some public defenders. Recently, I came across a case where a judge is trying to push an associate judge's report and verbal orders as a final order and trying to make litigants follow those. And I'm like, that's not even, there's case laws that I found in Texas specifically that says, if it's not a final order, it's not something that can be enforced with, the law. But I'm noticing different patterns where mothers and fathers who go to court, where I mentioned, where perjury can be allowed in court. Like a mom can come in and lie and say, oh, I don't want this person around my child because this and that. A dad can come in and say the same thing. Attorney General will be present in these same hearings. And I'm like, what is happening? Like, why is criminal court different when it comes to following the Constitution? But in family court, perjury is able to happen. People are able to say whatever, submit false evidence, don't even submit evidence, not following Constitution of due process, secret hearings, protection orders, as Mr. Price mentioned, TRO meetings where people can just say, oh, I want to get a protection order for what valid reason, no valid evidence. And that is not okay. I'm not a Democrat or a Republican. I'm an independent thinker. I'm not speaking on any side of trying to push an agenda or a narrative. I'm just a mother myself, and also a human when it comes to civil rights, where I'm like, I feel like there is a movement that needs to be done. And if a movement doesn't start, what side of history will you all be on? We've seen many civil rights movements pass before, and we have the history of those that were on the bad side and those on the good side. So me bringing these things up today, I'm hoping it causes some type of action, because I reached out to Senator West himself. He hasn't gotten to my emails yet because he's been busy. Congress member staff about these issues a couple weeks ago, and I'm scheduled to speak to more Congress members. But I'm hoping that me bringing this up really isn't just going in one ear, out the other, but actually initiating something that Mr. Price did on the criminal side when it comes to family court. And it's just not in Dallas County, it's just not in Texas, but at least we can start somewhere. So I wanted to bring that to you all's attention this day to see what can be done, or at least address in that. Thank you.
Thank you for your words.